It's awesome. You know, this is what we imagined. This is what we were going for. The function of it, the performance of it. You know, I think it's something everybody needs in their closet. This is Paul George, and you're watching Unboxed with BR Kicks. My favorite parts of the shoe, I think, again, the duality of it kind of highlights who I am. You know, one phase of it, when you zip it all the way up, it's a sleeker version of the shoe, and you know, it's how I think of myself when I'm off the court. I'm more of a cool, calm, collected, chill kind of personality. But then when you unzip it, there's a different phase of the shoe that you get to see, and you know, you get to see the underlying part of it, and kind of tells the story of who I am. You know, on the court, you know, I'm feisty, I'm fierce, competitive, and I think that's what you really get out of the shoe. There's a dual part action of it that you get to see in the shoe that I think people are gonna love. The different features from the PG3s to the PG4, you know, in the PG3s I had a zoom bag that was kind of forefront, whereas the PG4s, there's a full zoom bag, or there's you know, from heel to toe, there's a full bag in there now. And that just adds on to the comfort that I already had, where I think people are gonna notice right away, and they're gonna get the most out of that. Main story, and the story that we wanted to start out with, was, you know, my collaboration and my partnership with Gatorade. Gatorade's been a huge partner of mine, and you know, they've been with me for a long time, and so I, you know, thought it was great to feature that and show that side. Gatorade has, you know, an awesome GX innovation that they're doing, and you know, we thought it was great to, you know, bring that to life in my shoe as well. You know, we got the famous, if anybody knows my line, the Black Ice. This has kind of been a big home run hitter for me. You know, this is the Black Ice colorway. Started out with the PG1s, and here we are, the PG4s with the same colorway. It's kind of the sleek, you know, colorway or version of the shoe, but you know, I think it's something everybody needs in their closet. The plaid kind of symbolizes, you know, my boys, being dressy, you know, so this one is an important colorway for me. And this colorway is pretty cool. It's, again, everybody knows my love and passion for gaming, and this is a tie to 2K. This is a special colorway that you get off of 2K, and so this one is pretty unique. Not many of these are out there, so go ahead and try to get your hands on these. I think the signature feature about my shoe would say the comfort. You know, for me, I like to be comfortable on the court, and I like to be able to do that with great performance as well in the sneaker. So for me, you know, again, it's all about pillows on your feet and playing in clouds. That's you know, what we try to hit every time we make these shoes, and it's a feature I think a lot of people are fell in love with across the league. Yo, this is Paul George with BR Kicks, and it's a wrap.